welcome back. This is everything that I picked up at CVS for the sales week of November 8th through November 14th. This is an in-store video. I'm going to go ahead and take you through the store, show you everything that I got and the coupons that I used, and then at the end we will go over the final numbers and the cost for everything. I'm going to do the spend 15 on select products to get a $5 extra care buck. They are buy one get one 50% off. I'm going to grab a Dove body wash at $8.79. And I'm going to grab one of these deodorants at half off. It's going to be $3.49. I was looking for the men's body wash, but these are tagged for also buy one, get one 50% off. So I'm going to grab two of these at $2.29, and the other one's going to be $1.14. This is my spend 15, get a $5 extra care buck. I'm going to use this $2 off of any two Suave body wash. I have two $1 off of one Suave body wash that came in the Unilever insert 2 weekends ago, I believe. And then this $3 off any Dove or Dove Men body wash. And then this coupon is when you buy a body wash, you get a deodorant free. This is going to take off $3.49. That leaves me to pay $5.22 for all 4 products. I'll get back a $5 extra care buck, making all 4 of these items 22 cents. Almay this week is spend 12, get a $6 extra care buck with a limit of 6, so I'm going to do the deal twice. I'm going to pick up 2 of these blushes at $11.99. That's going to bring me to $23.98. I'm going to use this 6 off of 20 Almay CRT and this 5 off of any Almay Cosmetics that we got last week. That's going to leave me to pay $12.98, but get a $12 extra care buck, making them both 98 cents or 49 cents each. CeraVe isn't on any promotion this week, but I got a bunch of CRTs, so I'm going to pick up these 2 CeraVe healing ointments. They're priced at $7.79. That's going to bring me to $15.58. I'm going to use this $4 off any hand and body lotion CRT, $4 off any CeraVe, $5 off any 15, and this $2 off any one manufacturer coupon. That's going to take off $15 and leave me to pay 58 cents for both, or 29 cents each. I'm going to grab this L'Oreal Age Perfect at $18.99. There's no promotion on it, but I have 2 of these $6 off of Age Perfect Moisturizer and this 5 off of 15. That's going to leave me to pay $1.99. Nothing back, but it does count towards beauty. Aveeno this week is buy one get one 40% off. You don't get anything back, but I'm going to do some deals because I got some really good CRTs. I'm going to pick up the Aveeno Calm & Restore at it's $11.79, and then I'm going to pick up the Aveeno Cleanser at $8.79, and then I'm going to grab this Aveeno Peel Mask at $10.49. This one is going to be 40% off at $5.27. So all 3 of these products are going to total me $27.55. I have this $4 off CRT for that product, $5 off of 20, $4 off for Aveeno Radiant, $4 off Aveeno Calm & Restore, which is for that one as well, this $4 off Clear Complexion, which is for this one, and I'm going to use this $3.50 off manufacturer coupon for this product. That's $24.50 in coupons. It's going to leave me to pay $3.05 for all of them. This week, Aquaphor is spend 20, get a $10 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up one of these Aquaphor lotions at $10.99 and one of these sprays at $12.79. That's going to bring my total to $23.78. I have this $3.50 off of any 15 hand and body lotion. I have this $2 manufacturer coupon that I printed from coupons.com. I also have a digital $2 off and a $3 app only. That's going to leave me to pay $13.28 in the store. I'm going to get a $10 extra care buck. iBot is going to give me back $1.55 for this product, $2 for this product, and a $1 bonus for redeeming 2 different offers on Aquaphor, making it a $1.20 moneymaker for both items. This week, Nexus is spend 30, get $10 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up 2 of these mousse for $15.49 each. That's going to total me $30.98. And I'm going to pair it with the Tresemme. This week they are buy one get one 50% off, buy 3 get a $5 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up 4 for $18.87. Items are going to total me $49.85. I'm going to use this $5 off of 25 Dove Tresemme or Nexus hair care. I'm going to use 2 of these $5 off of 2. I'm going to use this 4 off of 20. This is over $45, so I can use both. And I'm going to use 2 of these $5 off of 1. That's going to take off $29, leave me to pay $20.85 in the store. I'm going to get back a $5 extra care buck for these, a $10 extra care buck for these. I'm going to get $3 on Ibotta, $4.40 on Shopkick. They're offering 1,100 kicks back. That's a total of $22.40 back, making all of these items $1.55 moneymaker, and they all count towards beauty. For my third transaction, I did go to a second store because I was hoping that they had the flushable wipes, but they did not, so I grabbed 2 of the Cottonelle. This week they are spend 20, get a $5 extra care buck. 2 of them brought me to $20.98. I had a 50-cent off of 1 digital coupon and a 4 off of 10 Cottonelle app only. At the self-checkout, it did not come off, so the manager just manually put in a $4 off coupon. That brought me down to $16.48. I got back a $5 extra care buck and then 25 cents on Ibotta and 97 cents on swag bucks. Final cost was $10.26 or $5.13 each. The first transaction, there's the Dove body wash and the Dove deodorant, the Suave body wash, the Aveeno cleanser was $11.79. Then the mask was $10.49. This one rang up 40% off, not the cleanser, like I mentioned in the video. So this item was $6.29 and this one was $8.79. The Almays were $11.99. CeraVe's were $7.79, and then the L'Oreal moisturizer was $18.99. The 2 manufacturer coupons that didn't go through were the Dove body wash, get the deodorant for free. I changed scents. I tried to ring up the items and then scan the coupon right after. It wouldn't go through. She tried to get the manager's help and they just couldn't figure it out. So I was not able to get this one completely free. I did pay $3.49 and I just grabbed the items and used whatever CRTs I showed you guys. And then the $3.50 off of 1 Aveeno manufacturer coupon also didn't go through because it wasn't for the items that I had picked up, and that's my fault because I didn't read it correctly. So the $2 $1 off of the Suave came through. The $2 off of the CeraVe went through, and then all of my CRTs went through. I rolled $22 in extra care bucks. I paid $8.13 on a Fetch Rewards gift card, so nothing out of pocket. I had a total savings of $101.85. And then I got back the $5 for spending $15, and I got back $12 for doing the Almay deal twice. It says $23.98, but it was within the 98% rule, so I did get that $12 extra care buck. So $17 back on the first transaction. Second transaction, I bought 4 Tresemme. One was $6.29, $3.14, $6.29, and $3.14. The Aquaphor was... My Aquaphor coupons weren't scanning, so they just took $2 off of the price of each one. My CRT still went through just fine because the value of the items were still over the threshold of the CRTs that I used. So this item was actually $10.99 and this one was $12.79. The Nexus, $15.49 and $15.49. All of my manufacturer coupons went through. I did use 5 off of 2 Tresemme products, but the Tresemme glitched and came off. The $2 extra came off, and the Aquaphor, the $2 digital that I had clipped came off because they didn't scan the other ones. They just lowered the price of the items. I rolled $30 in extra care bucks for this transaction. I paid a subtotal of 12 cents, 13 cents with tax. I had a $79.80 savings, and then I got back the $5 for the Tresemme, the $10 for the Nexus, and then the $10 for the Aquaphor, which is $25 for the second transaction. I did want to say something about what I want to say. So in my first transaction, I was not able to use that Dove coupon, so these glitches kind of covered what I wasn't able to get off of my first transaction, so that's pretty cool. Then the third transaction that I did not film in store, this is the second store that I went to. I wanted to grab 1 Cottonelle toilet paper, a Cottonelle flushable wipe, and 4 of the Kleenex. That would have made my total cheaper, and I had more rebates for all of that stuff. Both stores that I went to did not have the flushable wipe, so I just grabbed 2 of the toilet paper. So they were on sale this week for $10.49. I went through the self-checkout, and my $4 off of 10 app coupon didn't come off. So when the manager came over to help me, because I asked him if I could just void it and go through the register, he just added a $4 off himself. So I rolled the $15 in extra care bucks, and then I paid $148 plus tax on a debit card. I was going to use my Fetch Rewards gift card, but I went through the self-checkout, and it doesn't allow me to scan it from my phone. That's completely fine. I had a 95% savings, and I did get the $5 back for spending $20, which is right here. Final numbers, I started with $44 in extra care bucks this week. I spent $9.73 subtotal on all three transactions. That brings me to $53.73. I'm ending with $24 in extra care bucks. I spent $170 on beauty, which is a $15 beauty buck. I got back $7.80 on Ibotta. I got back 26 cents on Fetch, 97 cents on Swag Bucks, and $4.40 on Shopkick. That makes all 22 items only $1.30 or around 5 cents each. After tax, everything was $54.80 minus the $52.43 and rebates and extra care bucks that I got back makes everything a final cost of $2.37 or around 10 cents each. That does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.